point is very important. You need to use the number 1 tool. The first piece of the tool must be used number 1 to make the original point for the machine. For the workpiece.
这个主界面，
First we go to set up.
选择这里边
Adopt the X or Y. Then we need to move the 左右动一下。Okay. Yes, we need to move the tools to one point. To one point. Yeah, okay. To one point. In there. Sometimes you will start from here to process the materials. Then we'll go to here to go to in there. Then set X. Then X will become 0. Then set Y. Y will become 0. Okay, the X, Y
这就不用管。
set well. Don't set D. Don't set D. Okay. Then we go to other step. ATM. Then has one this side. We need to move. We need to move the tools to touch the materials. Touch the materials. Touch the materials. Then press set X. Then the workpiece original point will be set well.